Ake siqale sibuke ukuthi uMkhwanazi ezefika ebewukhomishina wamaphoyisa usukaphi, babemsusephi waze wazoyizithola esela. Where this thing began. Asihlehle sibuyele emuva siye ecaleni laMchunu elwa noSihle Zikalala bebanga iprovince. That incident eyalidela ekuthenini kufa oMagaqa. Sihlehle sibuyele emuva siye eMgungundlovu, the same mayor eyayiyimeya eyabulala uMagaqa eyagcina isinikezwe isikhundla kwiprovince. That mayor was involved kuSenzo. Loyo mayor wayeyikhempu kaSenzo by that time. That's when uMagaqa exposer yonke le mfishimfishi ababenza lapha together noZweli Mkhize. That's where this thing began. Ngibuye ngize eMusadladla la asegijime waya khona. eMusadladla uSenzo Mchunu ubese out, ubese iphumile. Sengikhuluma ilanguage aka-ANC ke mina ngoba ngowakhona eMusadladla. Waphuma nini na uSenzo na? Waphuma uSenzo nomkakhe bakhishwa uMashaba. Ngifuna ukuyiqala lapho. The killing esikhuluma ngayo yonke lento le drive uSenzo. The time uSenzo ephuma ekhishwa uMashaba nomkakhe ngevoti, wahamba uSenzo wayokwakha eyakhe icamp. Nanti icala labo ligijimisana kubangwa amavoti ukuthi ukhona uRobho omunye up until uSenzo iphume kwiJacob Zuma camp eyongena kwiRamaphosa's camp okwakuyithabo Mbhekisi camp by that time. NanguMashaba eba yimeya yoMhlathuze municipality, ephinda uMashaba eshaya umfazi kaSenzo owayeyimeya yedistrict eMhlathuze, wamshaya wamkhipha kube yimeya yedistrict yeMusadladla. Wabakhipha bonke nendoda konke baphuma nje bangabalutho kwangena iMashaba. Mashaba at that time he was a Zuma ally. The time iDA yenza lento eyenza ngenkandla, kukhandwa inkandla scandal, uMashaba nezakhe bahamba bayovimba iDA enkandla. The man eyalala phansi emgwaqeni emzini kaJacob Zuma ukuze uHelen Zille engangeni, that was uMhlongo. uMhlongo was my former mfana samkhulisa ka-Ward 32 eDlangezwa ehamba noMashaba. The time uMhlongo elele lapha ya uMashaba wathatha uMhlongo from nowhere, utshelwa yimi engikhulisa uMhlongo, wamenza imeya yaseMhlathuze. The mayor yaseMhlathuze wathi wena uzoba uchairperson, uzoba imeya yaseMhlathuze. Wasuka uMashaba wayoba kwidistrict. uMashaba kwidistrict wayecontesta, wayezoba unobhala or efuna ukuba utreasurer weprovince. The time bephusha uSihle Zikalala ukuthi akabe uchairperson weKZN. That's where the war begins. Khuluma nje ngeKZN, angakhuluma ngokunye. Then uma uSihle isimshaya le uSenzo yablocka yonke into yami, into kaSihle noSenzo up until kuyo iconference. Iconference yafika uMashaba esefile. uMashaba babeyo-attend i-meeting eyayiseThekwini. uMashaba iy'moto ezazizithwele uMashaba nama-bodyguard zaba ne-accident eBhalito, wafa yedwa uMashaba, asinda ama-bodyguard. One of those bodyguard lila emlazi kajeli hamba nge-wheelchair, angifuni ukusho ukuthi lithini. That's where this war division began. Thereafter kwasukuba nale NDZ nale Ramaphosa. Mind you Sihle waye kwi-NDZ, mind you Sihle uMchunu wayengekho kwi-NDZ. The time uJacob Zuma exosha uMchunu emehlisa ezopremier, ngifuna ukuyilanda le ukuze niyizwe kahle. Wasuka uMchunu kube nopremier after kube nokhetho, ukhetho langamvuna uMchunu lwayovuna uSihle, wathi uMchunu uyofaka icala ngoba kurojiwe. Zama lwami ukhetho lwaseKZN up until kwafika usuku lokuthi kuyiwe kwi-conference. Bahamba baya kwi-conference, la i-conference was sold. Mind you Mashaba wayengasekho, wayesefile. Mashaba akayibonanga lo conference ngoba he was the one right now, right today ngabe upremier eKZN waphuma kanjalo uMashaba bambulala, faka i-question mark between uSihle nomchunu nomkakhe, who plot to kill uMashaba, owayebukeka eyindlove enamandla, wayendlove enamandla, wayephethe iZululand yonke, akekho. Kwasala leli iphiciphici elusihle. Then mabebuye kwi-conference sebeyidayisile i-conference, kwabuye kwazocontrola bona oSenzo noDidi Mabuza noRamaphosa bazothi-ke manje bafuna ukukhetha iPremier yase-KZN. That's when uSihle kwakumele compromise nemchunuzi camp. Kwimchunuzi camp kwakukhona uMabuyakhulu owayefuna ukustenda, efuna ukubuyela, nazi ikandali zakhe zemali ayithatha yeconcert. That's when ikodidi behla neRamaphosa's camp bazothenga lesi sinikiniki esiwusihle ukuthi wena nansi imali izohamba nathi or sekubeka eceleni sibeka uMabuyakhulu. That's when the move has changed. Wasuka uSihle wabuyela eMhlathuze eMusadladla wayobamba lesi sinikiniki esiwumduduzi. Semsinikiniki esumduduze sigcine sisolde out the ANC. I-ANC ithathwa uMashimane uyithatha kuye ngoba yena ubesengasekho kubantu selalela uSihle. uSihle semgroundisa. That's when oSenzo intervene. Lezi zinto eniyikhulumayo eniyibonayo lezi ukuthi oSihle noGwede Mantashe badayisa iRichards Bay azisuki la zisuka lapho. That's when oSihle bekwazi ukucontrolwa iRamaphosa everything. That's when it sold. Uluze kanjalo ku-ANC uMhlathuze wakuluza konke. That's when ke uNtuli ebenevavavrum enkandla, uNtuli econtrol inkatha because this ANC kaRamaphosa was shifted ingasekho kubantu. So ke this thing ngiyaphike nale commander ngiyalana ke ukuthi ke lento ebhalwe la iyiyo, it's true. Why ngithi it's true? It's because of when this Ramaphosa's regime came to KZN, ba remove every Zuma's tontonton, including their own okuwobheki Cele. Idlala kanjani ipolitiki nangu uRamaphosa noJeff Radebe kade bese KZN bathi bazolungisa iKZN, zafike zama ngonyawo olodwa lezi zikaZandile Gumede bonke noMtolo bathi awukwazi, anikwazi nina Hadebe nawe Mabuyakhulu ukusitshela lento enisitshela yona ngoba nina simdefendile. Ngamanye amazwi akho umuntu enzomxosha la, instead nizo reappointa thina yithi abanikazi beKZN. Wama lapho ukuchakide ke manje akusamuveki whereby bebezo remove laba bantu with the hope ukuthi bazoba remove ebese bonke laba bantu beme ngazwilinye bethathe bani umchunu bemfake as chairperson weKZN bathi baya restoration. That's the mandate kamchunu ke la ayakhona to control. Ngiyaphi ke nale the same people ANC efuna ukubadampa are the same people who protected the same people ababadampayo. Ngikhuluma ngoMike Mabuyakhulu, ngikhuluma ngoSenzo Mchunu, ngikhuluma ngoDuma. uDuma unesikandali ethuka ubukhosi bamprotector bona same people. Ifike yastaka lapho ke commanders inqola. Then underneath that people kunonathi Mthethwa la. Ngifuna ukunikhumbuza kunonathi Mthethwa la. KunoSihle manje abangekho happy ngeRamaphosa's camp ngoba basanikezwe ngamaportfolio ababuyisele emandleni. Yonke lento enziwa uSihle ezikalala kabalwa ukuthi uzobuyiselwa as what eKZN. Ngamanye amazwi the Ramaphosa wanted to shift the leadership entire, ifuna ukuletha abantu abangezubuza lutho abazojabulela ipower. The same Ndosi is outsourced because akukho la ebala khona uNdosi ukuthi uma kuthiwa iyabuyiselwa neseyingxoxweni akabizwa akekho. Asibuyeni ke manje sibuyisela imiqondo sibe nama sober senses like bani ozovuma. Mind you ukuthi the same ANC ayinayi leader representa the KZN kwi National High Command kwi NEC phezulu. Why? Because of these people, because of oSenzo. So lena ke na icontract kaMkhwanazi ngifuna ukuza kule ukuthi kufika nini ukuthi umchunu efune ukujaha umkhwanazi. Umchunu akavedananga wajaha umkhwanazi, cha. Umchunu uze wahlakaza the task team political killing. Nazi ke izathu. It's because of inkabi eyabanjwa eMarine Hill iyanesibhamu eCape Town yayithunywe. It's one of them. Yakutestify lokho lelo docket likumchunu likumkhwanazi. Umkhwanazi wabhala leso statement, number 1. Number 2, bonke labantu engibabalayo abafile baningi kakhulu. oJackson Mthembu ngababala ngaze ngimelwe ikhanda. Umuntu wasinda lapho uObed Mlaba basebemjaha naye ngemuva. uJames Nxumalo ulapha ya engeke nginitshele ukuthi ukephi, but he stand for the Ramaphosa's camp. Those people are the people behind the doors. Umkhwanazi the support uyithole in different detective. Kuno detective wala eThekwini wadutshulela eMega City hlezi nomuntu wesifazane. Lo muntu wesifazane till today ukuyikhoma ngeke ngisho ukuthi wadutshulwa uba. Wadutshulwa eMega City. The same man yadayiswa uzakwabo ngoba that man has exposed the haste yemoto zemali ezibanjwayo ukuthi obani ababehind kubo lamadoda niwadefendayo. Same bantu bayazi ukuthi imoto zemali why zibanjwa kanjena na. That case iphi ilapha phezulu. Then njobethi umkhwanazi wonke ama case amabi epolitical killing induna njoba ibulalana kanje. Ngizohlehla ngize ngikhulume indaba engaphezulu. Even ukuhamba kwesilo kukulelo file uShenge wathi uma iquestiona leyo akuphelanga ngisho amasonto amangaka uShenge lishoba laqonda wayebuza ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi umzala wami esuke endlini ekhwehlela kuthiwa uyagula ahambe olale eAlbert jikijiki akasabuyanga. Asishekeni futhi leyo. Why? Is because kwakufunekala iNgonyama Trust. Asibuyeni iNgonyama Trust ijahwe uMonhlante ehlangane nabelungu befuna umhlaba. Le uHelen Zille namanje amaclip asekhona ethi iNgonyama Trust inomhlaba ongakanani ongawunika abantu ekukhuluma into engekho because bafuna ukunifaka lento abafuna ukunifaka yona. Asibuyeni ke size la kaMcunu. Wonke lamacala u120 ntontontoni wonke aqala kumkhwanazi. Akekho umuntu la oshonile ifile lakho. So the question ke manje ithi why uSenzo egcume wakuhlakaza leya task team. Incwadi nganisendela ubhalile awakha ama reason is because they are covering each other. Nayi iphalaphala bamdefendile uRamaphosa esekuvezile umkhwebane bakhipha upublic protector bafaka owabo wayezodefend that thing. It's very, very, very long. Asikwazi ukuthi singathi le ayikho politically ngoba le isuka kwipolitiki before ifike la. Nampa baningi ngababala ngithini baningi. Nangu the same muntu wabulala uMagaqa ngewazi henga waqala wazama ukuyibulala. The same former mayor yasemzimkhulu yaqala yazama ukuyibulala before itholakala endlini ifile. Yazama ukuyidubula ngesibhamu sayo. Kwavela lokho emaphepheni after umtestify after this task team kaMkhwanazi ibuyile yazothi isibhamu esabulala uMagaqa isibhamu esibulale same person wabulawa eGauteng isibhamu esabulala same person wabulawa eMpumalanga isibhamu esabulala same person wabulala eLimpopo. It is the same gun ibikade yobulala somebody eCape Town kuShinkabi. Wonke lawo ma testifies ahlezi lapha kuShedrack Sibiya. Wonke lamacala u102 akuShedrack. Angakakhulumi ngecala lasenze linamafayili amabili elinama case awu2. Icase yokuqala ikhuluma okunye, case yesibili ikhuluma okunye. Then bonke labantu imlomo yabo igcwele imvilophi nemali. Akakwazi ukungaba defend. njengoba eseshilo nomchunu ukuthi uma la ngiya phansi ngihamba ngedwa angihambi ngedwa is because uyazi ukhuluma ngani njengoba ebaleka emusadladla ubuyela kwinikiniki zakhe asezikhandile ngoba lapha ya sebeyikhandile lezi nikiniki zemali lapha ya so ke nje hayi le nje command iqondile ngoba siyayazi isukaphi thina sasisagijima nabo siyazazi ikandali zabo lesikhuluma ngayo siyayazi nanguya ubaba bemthuma ubaba omdala kuthiwa akayoshayisa imoto kaJacob Zuma isuke eshowe siyabazi labo bantu ukuthi abasukanga ezulwini basuka ku-ANC lo baba icala lakhe uma nganibuza nina lipheleliphi nike naphinde nje nezwa liqulwa ukuthi indoda efuna ukushayisa umkhulu ebuye eshowe ngemezi ngeBM yeyikuphi cha niphindanga nalizwe liphi lelo cala ingoba leyo ndoda yabanjwa yatestify yasho yabalista laba bantu abayinikeza imali niphinde nayizwe no aniphindanga nayizwe because yayikhokheliwe ukuthi hambe usubulalele lo wamuntu kuningwe comrade it's just that nje la kumkhonto kunabantu abaningi abakade bengayilandeli politics some of these things abazazi isukaphi siyazazi ke thina lezi zinto isukaphi lo senzo nje lwabamsukeli thina sisuka naye kude sisuka naye kude kabi sazi yonke imikhuba yakhe yasemusadladla lapha ya kwimusadladla yithe bakhona siyayazi lemgilingwane abamsukeli lo is a smallest poison uNdosi uhlala eRichards Bay kwisection ebizwa ngokuthiwa kuse5 umuzi wakho lapho uNdosi umchunu noma buyakhulu bawomakhelwane bahlukaniswe ijalide elilodwa empangeni akuthatha ngiyokubeka khona sekutshela ke ngalabantu engikhuluma ngabo yigebengu lezi inkunzi malanga ama-serial killer if you can call it ababasukeli akekho ukhansela wase-Ward 32 la umhlongo wayephuma khona uMpungoso wafa ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi wabulawa yini because he revealed some of these things akekho wayesebenza eFeb abafunda ongoye bayamazi wabulawa umhlongo ngopoison wagula wafa lo poison kaNC asuqabuki siyawazi mdala subaqedile abantu manje nithini ke nini nithi ayikho political cha ipolitical it's because umkhwanazi isiningi lento and ibithi uzoze phelelwe icontract bemsuse ngoba ubesemva kwabo nayi warehouse same premier nomkhwanazi abayivumbulule lapha yani eMtateni eMia Bank phansi lapha ya the same warehouse umuntu okade isayinele is one of the political party ibikhokhelwa ANC iwarehouse as if istorage izinto ze-ANC ngabe ziyikhipha mayisuka la isuka khona kwi-shipment kanti kukhulunywa ngesizinda sama-drugs asifuni ukukhuluma indaba eningi kodwa siyayazi lo information iyabhalwa la bese beyihliphiza bona umchunu lapho